Let's see if which one pops first as we increase the amperage. Alright, here we go. So I thought I'd make a quick video showing why you really shouldn't trust circuit breakers you get online, especially cheap ones that don't come from companies that are reputable. This is a 12 volt circuit breaker that I just got on Amazon, but I wanted to test it with a load tester and actually see if it pops at 60 amps or right around there, so that your circuit doesn't get overloaded and you light your vehicle on fire. Let's put a load on it and see if it'll actually pop. So here we go. That's 50, 60, 70, 80, 100, 140, 150, and there's the tester beeping. And it still didn't pop. Ooh, smells like really hot plastic. That's not good. That'll light your vehicle on fire. You got to be real careful about circuit breakers. Don't just install circuit breakers in vehicles without testing them, because that'll light something on fire. You know, you use the correct gauge wire for 60 amps coming up to this. If there were to be a short, your wire would light on fire before this thing pops. Let's go ahead and put amps to it again. Alright, here we go. 100 amps, 150 amps, 200 amps. Still not popping. So that would just light your vehicle on fire if you had a short. Still disconnects. So, I mean, about the only thing this is good for is a disconnect switch. This is not a circuit breaker at all. I have another circuit breaker. Yeah, now I'm really smelling hot plastic. That thing is just melting down internally. So let me hook this up. I might just need to stick it on the battery, but this one from the same company pops at 150 the way it's supposed to. Okay, here we go. So this will be kind of a funny test. Here's my setup. So this circuit breaker here is 150 amps. This one's supposed to be 60. Click that on. There we go. Let's see if which one pops first as we increase the amperage. Alright, here we go. There's 100, 140, 50. Oh, and disconnect. So right as I hit 150, this one popped, just like it's supposed to. And this one that's supposed to be 60 amps did nothing. And they're both from the same company. You know, who knows where they're actually manufactured. Okay, so you can see there's a plate in here, which is the conductor plate. You push the switch in it, it allows the plate to bend back down and make contacts between the two poles. And then the button just presses on this, which lifts the plate up, allowing that to lock it up off the contacts. There's not really anything in here that is a circuit breaker of any sort. Get to finish pulling this thing all the way apart, and unbolt this and see what the contacts look like underneath here. So this plate is the circuit breaker. They expect the plate, once you hit a certain amount of amps, to get hot and deform, essentially. That's not a great setup, especially since essentially this plate is like a giant resistor when it comes to higher amps. The only thing that disconnects it is when you press that button down, it lifts this plate up away from the contact down in here. And so you can see when that lever is levered in, it exposes the contact and allows the plate to spring down on it. And that's how it connects. And then when you lift the plate up, this springs back over there and guards the contact. This is the second one with the exact same thing where it just doesn't pop at all. And it's probably something to do with how this is designed. It's just a bad design. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to find some better, maybe more expensive circuit breakers, but this same style from different companies. I'm going to test them. So stay tuned for that video. Always be careful what kind of circuit breakers you're running, and always test them before installing them into your vehicle to avoid a potential fire, because this would absolutely light your harness on fire. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.